Welcome back YouTube to my brand new tutorial, and in today's video guys I will show you how you can download The Sims 4 mobile. And guys, this is the only working method on the internet. I just simply wanted to show you. Look at my share screen now guys. As you can see, it is all loading up. The Sims 4 is here on your mobile device and you will have all your childhood memories with you all the time. Now guys, let me just simply and quickly show you how you can get the Sims 4 on your mobile device. So first things first, if you're an Android user, head over to your battery and make sure the battery saver mode is turned off. As for the iOS users, like I'm here, you will go to battery once again, as you can see right there, and make sure that low power mode is off. As you go back guys, once again into the settings, then general, background app refresh, and make sure the background app refresh is on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now that being done guys, we have prepared our mobile device with the first steps. We will continue forward and include our browser. Of course, any browser can come in handy, doesn't really matter. What matters is to type in this address right here guys. And on this address we can see there are a bunch of stuff. But let's focus on the Sims 4 mobile. So if you don't see it there, do not worry, you can always type it in. So Sims 4, just a second, okay, Sims 4 mobile. As you can see guys, it's totally unbelievable still. There's some rating, there's some reviews. You can also leave a review if you'd like. But now let's not lose any time. Let me just click on install. Right after that guys, it will be processing and you will have your Sims 4 mobile on your mobile device. Whether it's Android or iOS, as you can see guys, you will have it. And of course, your boy made it happen. Now guys, it may appear that you will be redirected to the next part where there will be some simple apps which you need to download, but do not worry. What you need to do is basically download 2 or 3 apps, do what it says from you in the description. Those are all apps from the official App Store or Google Play Store, so do not worry guys. And right after that, you will have your Sims 4 on your mobile device. If there are any questions, feel free to write on comments down below. Your boy will do it for you. And of course, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.